Alright, so the three parts we have are the LED, the resistor, and the button. Oh, I forgot to mention, but the breadboard too. 4 parts. So, we're going to start with the simple LED. So, an LED, it stands for light emitting diode. Alright, light emitting diode. It's a light emitting diode. Just in case you didn't know what a diode was, a diode is just like a jumper wire, but it can only go through one way. Electricity is only supposed to run through it one way. It will not allow other way. It's just like that, just it emits light. We also have a resistor. A resistor holds back electricity so it won't give as much power, so it won't burn out LEDs or things like that. Alright, so we'll be using the resistor for many purposes in electronic things. We also have the button. The button's really important. It's just a button. But you'll notice something weird that you wouldn't really notice before. The fact that it has 4 different pins. How come there's 4? Well, alright, it has 4 pins. 4 pins. The reason it has 4 pins is partially because sometimes you use it with Arduino and you need to hook up 3 of the pins. It has to go across. The wires have to go across, electricity has to go across. If you just do side to side, it will not flow through and the button will be useless. But if it's cross, you're good. I'll tell you later about the 3-pin thing. Alright. Now, we have the breadboard. So, the breadboard, it looks extremely complicated. All these pins everywhere, which one do I put them in? I just don't know. Well, it's not as bad as you think. It's actually pretty easy to explain. Alright, so on these power rails on the sides, like this, right here, they're all connected. One row. Alright, so is this row. All connected, negative and positive. Alright, same thing from over here too. Right here we have 5 pins connected, and it's like this all through the middle. And that's basically all at the breadboard. Alright, so that's basically my video. Alright guys, hope you like my video about the simple parts. Please subscribe down below. Give a thumbs up if it was awesome. Give a thumbs down if it was absolutely terrible. See you guys.